My name is Jinal Jhala and I am your instructor of this subject. So, first of all, what is the definition of string? String is a sequence of characters that is treated as a single data item. Means, my name is a one example of string because it is a set of character. In my name, there are 5 characters are present. So, my name is the example of string. Same way, your name is also example of string. And one more thing you have to remember, that the string is always ending with a null character. And the symbol for null is slash and 0. We have to write in single quote slash and 0. Now, how we can declare the string? Just like the array, first of all we have to write data type. But here we have to use only character data types because string is only for use character array. That's why. So, write character, then after string name, and in bracket write the size, that how many characters you want to store in string. And example here you can see that character S5 means in S string we can store maximum 5 characters. And how it will represent in memory? So, just to see below, the index starting from 0 to n minus 1 means S0 to S4, and here it is blank because when we initialize the string, the value of particular character stored at particular index. Now, let us see the initialization part, and this initialization can be done in 2 ways. First is a compile time initialization and second is a runtime initialization. Compile time initialization we can write in 2 ways. First method is, first write a data type character, then after string name is equal to, in curly bracket we can write single character, but using single quote because single character always represent in single quote. Just remember the theory of C tokens. And if we want to store whole word together, so write in double inverted comma. You can write in both the method, but second one is the easy method. And how we can store the value at runtime? So, it is also possible in 2 ways, using scanf function and one another new function, that is getS function. Just to see, first write the scanf, in bracket in double inverted comma write the control string %s for string, and then after write your string name. But the limitation of scanf function is when space is encountered, your string will be terminated from that particular character. That's why if you write one sentence using white space, then the whole sentence will not stored using scanf. In that case we can use getS function. So, this is the appropriate input function for entering a string. So, what is the syntax? Write the getS and in bracket write your string name. These 2 methods are used for runtime initialization. And at last, this is the memory representation, that in hello our first H will be stored at S0, then after second is stored at S1. In this way our last character is our null character because our all strings terminated with null character. Let us see one another topics, that is inbuilt functions for string. So, in this module we have to learn many different functions that are using for string, and these all functions are inbuilt, means already available in one library. Which library? That is string.h. In Studio library, input and output functions are available, right? So, same way these all string functions available in string.h header file. So, our very first function is strlen. Let us see what is the meaning of strlen. Strlen is used for finding a string length. Means if I am enter my name, that is Jinal, then what is the length of this word? It is 5 because J, I, N, A and L, 5 characters are present in my name. So, we can find directly using this inbuilt function, and the syntax is like, first here I am declaring integer L. Why? Because the length always we will get in integer form, that is why. So, L is equal to write strlen and in bracket write your string name. which you have taken in your program. Just see the below example. Include the library. Here we have to include two library. First is a studio and second is a string.h, because we want to use the function that is strlen. And in main function write one integer variable, declare one integer variable and one string. Here character s10 is equal to hello. This is compile time initialization. Already I have assigned the value to our string. And write L is equal to strlen s. So here in hello, how many characters are present? 5 characters. So print the value of L, and in output we will get that length of string is equal to 5. Next, move to the next function, that is strcpy. So what is the use of strcpy? strcpy is used to copy from one string to another string. Means we have a data in one string and the same data you want to copy in your another string, then it is possible with strcpy, and the syntax is like strcpy in bracket string 2 comma string 1. String 1 already we have initialized. How we can write the program? So first include our two header files, studio and string.h, and write the main function. And in main function here you have to declare two different string. So first character s1 10 is equal to hello, which is already initialized, and take one another string that is s2. Now if I want to copy the data of s1 into our s2 string, then you have to use strcpy function. And how we can write? So just write strcpy in bracket s2 comma s1, means the data of s1 will be copied in our s2 variable. Now our answer will be stored in s2 string, right? So print the value of s2. So write the printf function and copy the string is equal to %s comma s2. So our output is like copied string is equal to hello, because in our s1 the data is hello, that's why. Let's move to the another function that is similar to the strcpy function, but its name is strncpy. Now what do you mean by strncpy? The function is same. It will copy the data of one string to another, but only from n characters. So here in syntax one more variable is added, that is first write the strncpy instead of strcpy. Then after in bracket write 3 parameters. First is string 2, second is string 1 and third is n. N is nothing but your constant value, means how many characters you want to copy in another string. So just to see the example. First include your two header files, then write the main function, and in main function declare two strings. Same example I have taken here, and write the strncpy and in bracket s2 comma s1 comma 2. So our output, for output you have to use printf function and copied string is equal to %s comma s2. So our output is like only first two character of hello. So h and e will be copied in our s2. So our output is like h, e. So let's see one another function, that is strcmp. Now full form of strcmp is string comparison. Means if you have a two different string and you want to compare that both are equal or not, then it is possible with this inbuilt function. And the syntax is for strcmp is like strcmp string 1 comma string 2. So let's see with example. First include the header files, then write the main function. Here I have taken two different strings, and first string initialize as a hello and second string initialize as a hi. And just to see here, both strings are equal or not? Not equal, because one input is hello and another is hi. If I am taking in both string hello hello, then it is called as a equal. Now how we can use this function? These function work on the base of ASCII values difference. So here it will check first character of s1 and second character of s2, both are equal, then the difference we will get 0. Then after check the second one of s1 and second of s2, Again check the difference 0. If we get the whole difference 0, then we can say that both strings are equal. So this function always used in if condition. So I am writing if strcmp s1 comma s2 is equal to 0, means the whole difference we will get 0, then in this case we can say that both strings are equal, else print both strings are not equal. So here first hello, first character of hello is h and first character of hi is h. H minus h we will get 0, but second is e in hello and in hi second is I. So e minus I is not equal to 0. So our condition become false and else part will be execute and our output is like both strings are not equal. Similar type of function is strncmp, is used for string comparison up to n characters, and the syntax is like strncmp string 1 comma string 2 comma n. So how we can write the example, just see here. First include the header file, write the main function, same string I have taken here, but in condition just see the change. In strcmp s1 comma s2 comma 1 is equal to 0. What do you mean by this function? It will check only first character. If first character difference we will get 0, then your if part will be executed, means true part will be executed. So just see here, in hello our first character is h and in hi also first character is h. So h minus h we will get 0 and our condition become true here. So our output is like both strings are equal. But if you take in one string abc and in one string xyz, then a minus x you will not get 0. So in this case else part will be executed. So in this way strncmp is working. Now let's move to the next function, that is strcat. What do you mean by strcat? Strcat means string concatenation, or we can say merging. If you want to combine two strings, then it is possible with this inbuilt function, and the syntax for strcat is like strcat in bracket string 1 comma string 2. Let's see with example. First include your header files. Then here you can see in first string our input is hello, in second string input is friend. So write the strcat function and in bracket s1 comma s2. Now when this function will execute, your data of s2 will combine with s1, means our output is like hello friend, and we have to print the value of s1 because our answer is stored in s1 variable. So printf combine string is equal to %s comma s1. So our output is like combined string hello friend. Suppose you write in strcat s2 comma s1, then what happen? The data of s1 combined with s2 and stored in s2, means your output is like friend hello. In this way you can use both of them. Now our next function, similar type of function, is strncat, means combine only n characters with another string, and the syntax is like strncat string 1 comma string 2 comma n. So let's see with example. Include the header files, then write the main function. Then here our two strings are, first is a hello and second is a friend, and in strncat s1 comma s2 comma 3. Now first three character of friend string will be merged with our s1. So our output is like hello, and then after first three character from friend, that is fri, will be merged. So our output is like hello fri. In this way we can use strncat function. And next function is strrev function. So what do you mean by strrev? It is used for reverse the string, means our input string is like abc and you want to do reverse of that string, that is cba. It is possible with this inbuilt function, and the syntax is write the strrev and in bracket write your string name. Just see with example, include the header files and main function, and here I am taking only one string because I want to reverse for only one string, that's why character s10 is equal to hello. Now write the function, that is strrev, and in bracket write your string name, that is s. So after executing this function, your output is like the reverse of hello, that is OLLEH, and the answer stored in a same variable. So print the value of s. So reverse string is equal to %s and comma s. So our output is like reverse string is equal to reverse of our hello word. So in this way we can use strrev function. And then after we have many other functions for string, like you can convert it into uppercase, lowercase, find a substring or find a character. We will see in next video, and in next video we will see these all the functions in practically, that how we can get the output, right? So see you soon in next video. Till then, take care, bye bye, thank you so much.